Hey, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to look into Module 10 Knowledge Check. My name is Sushant Sutish, and I'm your trainer for this AZ-400 Azure DevOps Engineer Expert Certification course. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Let's look into the first question. Which of the following are main architectural components of Chef? The correct answers are Chef Server, Chef Client, and Chef Workstation. Let's look into question number 2. Which of the following are open source products that are integrated into Chef Automate image available from Azure Marketplace? The right answers are Habitat and Inspect. Question number 3. Which of the following are core components of Puppet automation platform? The correct answers are Master, Agent, and Facts. Let's look into question number 4. Complete the following sentence. The main element of a Puppet program PP manifest files are class, resources, and the right answer is module. Question number 5. Which of the following platform use agent to communicate with target machines? The correct answers are Puppet and Chef. Question number 6. True or false? The control machine in Ansible must have Python installed. Is it true or false? Correct answer is true. Question number 7. Which of the following statements about the Cloud Init package are correct? All of the answers are correct answers. In Azure, you can add custom configuration to Linux VM with Cloud Init by appending the custom data parameter. Question number 8. Terraform only supports configuration files with the file extension .tf, which is false. Let's look at the last question. Which of the following core Terraform components can modify Terraform behavior without having to edit the Terraform configuration? The correct answer is overrides. So that completed the lecture-based part of AZ-400. So the next step is I will go and create a lot of lab sessions and walkthroughs on all the things what we have learned on AZ-400. So you can expect those videos to be launched soon. So thank you so much for taking time to watch these videos. I will meet you on the next video. Until then, take care.